At my feet here is all the parts and tools and etc. I used while changing these pads and painting the calipers. Disposable gloves a must. Inspection lamp a must if you're working inside like I am. Rewind tool for winding in the back pistons on the calipers. Once you've got them off, they won't go back on again as they are, because the new pads will be a lot thicker than the old ones. So you normally use the rewind tool, wind that back in, but this one I actually modified to fit my wife's Mini recently, and that screwed me over because now it doesn't fit my Sirocco. So I had to use big grips and a big G-clamp. Put the G-clamp round, put a bit of pressure, turn it with the grips, turn the piston with the grips. Be aware not to squeeze or damage the rubber that goes around the piston. Safety specs a must when using wire brush. I used that wire brush because I actually found it eventually, thankfully. I did use the little ones quite a bit as well. Drill for operating the mini ones. Torque for taking off the retaining screw for the brake disc. Half-inch spanner, half-inch socket. 15mm spanner for taking off the caliper. That's about it. Oops, forgot to mention the trolley jack. You'll definitely need a trolley jack.